RealtyMogul Real Estate Investment App Review, Usage Experience. Links to RealtyMogul and related resources can be found in the description below. RealtyMogul is a real estate investment platform that allows both accredited and non-accredited investors to diversify their portfolios through commercial real estate. With a range of options like REITs, real estate investment trusts, and private placements, RealtyMogul is a robust choice for investors looking to tap into high-quality real estate opportunities. One of RealtyMogul's standout features is its access to institutional-grade real estate investments. The platform offers carefully vetted commercial properties, including multifamily units, office building retail spaces. For those who don't meet the requirements for private placements, RealtyMogul's public REITs offer an accessible entry point starting at just $5,000. These REITs focus on generating passive income through dividends and property appreciation. Another advantage is RealtyMogul's thorough due diligence process. Each investment opportunity is reviewed extensively by their in-house team, ensuring that investors are presented with high-quality, data-backed deals. The platform provides detailed financials, market analyses, and projected returns for every offering, making it easy to evaluate and compare potential investments. RealtyMogul's user-friendly dashboard is designed for seamless investment management. You can track your portfolio performance, monitor dividend payouts, and access detailed reports. For investors seeking transparency and control, this level of detail is incredibly valuable. One of RealtyMogul's unique offerings is its private placements, which are available to accredited investors. These deals often have higher potential returns, but come with a longer investment horizon. This makes RealtyMogul ideal for experienced investors who want to diversify further into private commercial real estate. However, real estate investments through RealtyMogul are generally illiquid, meaning your capital is tied up for several years. This is an important consideration for anyone seeking quick access to their funds. In conclusion, RealtyMogul is an excellent platform for investors looking to access high-quality commercial real estate opportunities with a focus on diversification and long-term growth. Whether through public REITs or private placements, the platform's vetted investments and transparency make it a reliable choice. Check the links in the description to explore RealtyMogul and see if it aligns with your investment goals. This review should provide clarity on whether RealtyMogul is the right platform for your real estate journey.